So today I am doing the bird's eye chilli challenge on the Discovery unit. If I'm right there, 100,000 to 225,000 Discovery units. These bird's eye chillies, I'll be taking one. I've had dried ones before, but I haven't had fresh ones, so I'll be taking one. So let's go. Let's just open the packet and let's take one. This one looks good. I'm taking this one. I'm taking this one right here, and hopefully I will not need milk. Let's just bang this in. It's in. Another one. They're not hot. If I get stomachache, I'll need milk to get rid of the stomachache. Being 5. Don't touch your eyes or anything. Not hot. Number 5. There, 5. Now one more. Yes, another one more. I nearly rejected it. All these can go in the bin. Those 6, it's much hotter than the dried ones. Just go. 1,400 just go really next. Probably hot. I know water doesn't help, like I said, but I think I'm gonna be sick. I never need sick. I thought I was gonna be sick then. I don't want this damn heat in my mouth. Oh, my eyes are going to water now. I think they're hotter than a Scotch bonnet. I generally do think they're hotter than a Scotch bonnet. I generally do. I'm not joking, I think they generally are hotter than a bloody Scotch bonnet and a ghost chilli. In my book it goes Carolina Reaper, then Bird's Eye chilli, then Scotch bonnet, then ghost chilli. When we talk about Carolina Reaper, every time I speak it's just hey, Carolina Reaper, Bird's Eye chilli, ghost chilli, then Scotch bonnet. From jalapeno, then the normal hot chilli. Every time I put the water in, it's like burning. I don't want milk. I've got my second hot chilli. I've got to deal with this heat, clean up all this mess. Look, if you can see right now, I better clean up all this mess, look. Perfectly sick, but I probably not Muslim. The water feels funny now. It just feels like bloody Bird's Eye chilli shit. Once the heat goes down on the I don't know what it's not. I think I'm gonna end it here. So put some suggestions on what challenges I should do next in the description. Like, should I do a sauce challenge? Shall I eat a different chilli that I haven't eaten? Just put your suggestions in the comments what challenge I should do next. The heat's come back. Oh, Jesus, I'm nearly here. So give this Bird's Eye chilli video a thumbs up. So bye, like and subscribe. I'm done. The heat's still there, but I just want to end it. You are